Welcome to Ali Toyverse! Yay! Let's go!
This one is red. Vroom vroom is a cool blue racing car with number 49.
I'm the coolest car on the track. Watch me go, there's no looking back. Extreme 49, I'm gonna shine. Racing all day, everything's just fine.
This one is orange. Wow, it's a awesome purple and yellow car with NYC stars graphics.
I'm a little racing car, I'm the fastest star, driving on the track, never looking back. 95 is on my side, NY stars, let's ride.
This one is blue. Awesome! It's a white toy police car ready for patrol.
I'm a little police car on patrol. Driving on the track is my favorite goal. See my lights flashing red and blue. I'm always ready to help you.
This one is green. Hooray! It's a fast red racing car with number 88.
I'm the fastest car around, watch me speed across the ground. Number 88 is great, racing through is super fun.
Hey friends, look over there. What is that? Next to the car. Which character is that? I mentioned it in my previous video. Let's see who remembers. This one is golden. Look, it's a bright lime green sports car with number 88.
I'm a bright green car driving on the track. 88 is great and I'm never looking back. Zooming all around, I am the fastest toy in town.
Yeah, we found all the cars. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun color adventures. See you next time.